Alright guys, we have finally made it to object-oriented programming. An object is a group of properties and methods. Properties are what an object has, like a name, a color, a year. Methods are what an object can do. For example, if we're creating a car object, two possible methods could be drive and brake. So let's create some car objects to begin with. I'll create a constant car, and this is how we can create an object. Within a set of curly braces, we can create some properties, which are kind of like variables. This car has a model property, and we can assign a value. This car is a Mustang. Separate each property with a comma. Let's create a color property. The color could be red, and a year. The year is 2023. We can also add some functions too. I'll create a drive function. So create a function name, colon, function, parentheses, curly braces. When we invoke the drive function, we can do something. I'll display a message. Console.log, you drive the car. Let's create another function. This will be the brake method. So function, parentheses, curly braces, you step on the brakes. And there we go, we have a car object. Within a set of curly braces, you can assign properties and methods. And then at the end, make sure you don't have a comma. An object can have properties, what an object has, like a model, a color, and a year, and methods, what an object can do. This car can drive and it can brake. To access an object's properties and methods, follow the object name with a dot. If I need access to the model of this car, I would type the object name, car dot model, and I will display this within console.log, but you can assign it, change it, do whatever you want with it. This statement displays Mustang. If I need the color property, I would type the object name dot color, which is red. Car dot year is 2023. If I would like to invoke one of these methods found within my car object, I would type the object name followed by the method I would like to perform. Car.drive, add a set of parentheses to invoke it. You drive the car. Then we have car.brake. You step on the brakes. We can create multiple objects, each with different properties and methods. One way to do this, we haven't discussed classes or constructors yet. We could just create a new name, and we'll rename car as car1. So we have two different car objects. But I'll change the properties of car too. We'll keep drive and brake the same. This will be a Corvette. The color is blue, and the year is 2024. So this car is named car2. In order to access this car's model, I would type the name of the object, car2, car2.model, car2.color, car2.year, car2.drive, car2.brake. We have a Corvette. The color is blue. The year is 2024. When we invoke the drive method, you drive the car. The brake method displays you step on the brakes. So yeah, those are objects. It's a group of properties and methods that have a name. Properties are what an object has. Methods are what an object can do. They're functions that belong to an object. To access properties and methods of an object, you use a dot following the object name. So those are objects. If you would like a copy of this code, I'll post this to the comment section down below. If you haven't already, please be sure to smash that like button, leave a random comment down below, and subscribe if you'd like to become a fellow bro.